In my previous video, I had shared with you guys my experience as a Furoshiki master at a luxury fashion store here in Costa Mesa, California. If you're interested to revisit that video, I'll leave the link on the upper right corner or on the description below. The event took place in 2022, however, I did not recap until last year, 2023. And we were so lucky we got invited again in 2023 to do a similar kind of job to provide the service for their customer during the holiday season. If you're watching this and you're also an artist, I would love to hear about your experiences as well during the holiday season. How is that different? Have you ever done events like this before, and how is that like? I would totally love to hear about it. So go ahead and share in the comments. I would love to hear from you. All right, without further ado, here comes the video. Enjoy. So we are here today at Chloe. I'm doing a You like it? Yeah. I'm doing some promotional clip for me. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, please. That's fine.
Anything you want to change?
No, I love it. I love the fact that you're putting like a sample of what they can do with the fabric after the gift wrapping. So that's really nice. I love it.
Awesome.
We'll be back.
Okay. Alright, so I'm here at Chloe today to do a demo for Furoshiki. They are using their own fabrics sent from their headquarters. Alright, so I'm actually taking a small break. I'm gonna step aside so I don't look super awkward walking and chatting. So Shabu is with me right now. So Brian is actually helping me to he's helping me for about 2 hours because it's just really tiring standing the whole time. Last time we got like a little bench that we can sit on, or I can sit on, but because they're remodeling their store this year, so this store has different structure, and so I'm just standing like a sales associate the whole time. I'm seeing other artists at other stores, not a lot, but like there are other stores where they have these little calligraphy artists or embroidery artists just sitting there crafting and doing their customization stuff. So I feel like I'm like one of them. It's just, during the gift wrap. But anyways, I just wanted to give an update on what's going on. So Brian is relieving me at the store right now. And I'm just taking a break, walking around, hanging out with Shabu because Shabu can't be in the store. Shabu girl. Shabu is being a good girl right now, hanging out behind my back. Alright, I will take some B-roll of the mall. There's a lot of people definitely doing shopping during the holidays. And yeah, I'll get some B-roll to clip into my video. So I'm finally having my second break, and this time it's gonna be my dinner break. And 2-hour break, and now we're just finishing the last hour and we can go. So while he finished up the last hour, I'm gonna eat my dinner that he got takeout for me. It's a Sichuan gourmet noodles. So I got the pork intestine noodles. It's actually pretty good if you eat intestines. Totally done. I'm so exhausted from standing and there's like no chair. So we didn't have to So we don't have to take any lunch break just because we're switching off, and we didn't have to take our 15-minute break neither, so I'm glad it kind of worked out. But for sure, maybe in the future, look forward to doing something similar. If not at Chloe, we'll totally love to do it at any other shops that wants to promote Furoshiki Gift Wrap, or kind of, use Furoshiki Gift Wrap as one of their gift wrapping techniques that they wanted to incorporate in their holiday season. So anyway, I'm gonna finish up my dinner here, and I can't wait to edit this vlog and see how it all comes together. Alright, we're done! I'm gonna let Brian talk about his feelings.
I feel happy that I can help and contribute. And Shabu is here too with us.
So that's a wrap. I hope you liked the video. Please let us know if you have any questions, would like to share some of your thoughts in the comments below. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family who may find it interesting for them as well. I will see you on the next video, and I will let you get back to be creative. Bye!